Hi everyone, welcome to WarpBay. Let's first begin with our new AI chatbot called WarpBay AI chatbot. So I go inside. This is you can find this on our communications tab. We are also building a dedicated tab for this in the main menu, which will be easy for you to, which will be easier to locate. But let's just begin with this. So this is a chatbot which is powered via AI, basically Gemini 2.5 Pro, and you can use this on your WhatsApp as well. So I'm going to show you how this works. First of all is the knowledge base. Here we build your knowledge base. This is where the training of the AI bot happens. You can train the bot on pretty much anything you want as an event organizer. You can train it on about your event. You can train it about your organization. You can train it about your exhibitors coming to the event. You can train it about the stall prices, so that the exhibitors have, if they come to your website from there on, they can ask questions about the event. You can also train it to give information to your visitors for the event. So like what kind of people coming, the attendees, when is the event happening, where is the event happening, how can I get to the event. So all the suggestions the AI will give it to you. So how do we do this? First of all is when I click here, add knowledge base, I go here, there's an option to add URL or a PDF document. URL means you can add your websites here. So if I get our website here, I'm just going to copy this link and I come here and I paste it here. Once I paste here, there's an option to resync. So automatically it can resync the website weekly if you have a web document, or else you can do it manually whenever you want it. So let's say if there's an option here, now there's a syncing option where there's a crawl depth. Here you can, there's a crawl depth of 1, 2, and 3. When I go 3, it goes to a deep crawl where it will not only take the primary pages, but it will also take the secondary and the third level pages, which are the blogs and sub pages. That will also be crawled by the AI bot itself. So it will go to your website, will crawl the entire website, bring all the content to the dashboard in the backend. This will be automatic, but this takes time. It takes around 15 to 30 minutes to get everything. So if I go here, I just click on proceed, and it will start processing, getting scraping the data from your website. This is the first thing. Second thing is, now I'm going to add a PDF file again. So let's say I go to my computer, there's a PDF file that I've already prepared for this. So I'm just going to add that file. So I select this file and I go proceed. Now what happens here? Again, this will first add the PDF file and then again crawl it, to learn from it. This again takes 10 to 15 minutes. It takes like 30 minutes for the bot to be fully up and running. Once this is done, you go into the chatbot personality. Here you decide what you want to call your bot. So you can give it a name. Let's say event assistant, or I call it WarpBay assistant. Then the next step is the greeting message. I can give it a greeting message. If somebody sends a hi, how does the bot respond? This is the message that I can identify. I can tell the bot to say. There could be a fallback message. There's something that the bot does not know how to answer. I can add a message here as well. Now there is the personality and tone. What tone you want? Friendly, professional, formal. There's the response length that you can decide. Concise, moderate, detailed. You can control that. Language is again a very good thing. If somebody talks to the bot in Hindi or some other regional language, it will respond back in the same language. It can auto detect the languages, or else you can stick to English also. Both options are available. Then comes the settings, the setting where now this is an option. This is your this is where you take the decision to take this live on your WhatsApp, or you want to keep it as a widget on your website as well. So both the options are available. So if you go on WhatsApp, just toggle this on, add your WhatsApp number to our dashboard, and it's good to go with WhatsApp. Now, next is the unanswered question. What is unanswered question? Let's say we have a set of knowledge base that we already built. Basically, it's your FAQ, your do's and don'ts about your event, all the information about your event, about your website, about your product or services that you're offering. There are some unanswered questions which the bot may not know. So what it does, if somebody asks a question to the bot, it will store that unanswered question here, which you can come and look and always improve your bot with time. So this is again a very, very important feature. Then comes the AI configuration. Right now, we are only powering this with Gemini 2.5 Pro. We are also coming up with ChatGPT and also trying to add Claude here. But as of now, it's live with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Here I can test my bot. So now I can go live with this particular thing. I can ask questions to this bot. Now this is still scraping, so it will take time, but I can question this bot and start giving the answer about my event and everything. I can add this via a quick link that you can find on the dashboard itself and put it on your website header, and it will start working as a widget on your website, or else you can take it on WhatsApp. The advantage of taking it on WhatsApp is you get to see each and every conversation that is happening with real time between the AI and the real user, and you get that lead data stored in the dashboard where you know what is happening, what conversation is going on. You can download that data, and this is your lead which your team can call and start converting it. The advantage of taking the bot live on WhatsApp is you get to get the mobile numbers of the lead itself then and there, and you can see the live conversation that is happening between the AI bot. One, you can see the live conversation on the default widget bot as well, but on WhatsApp you get the mobile number. This is where your sales team can download the data and start giving them a call, or maybe replying to them on their WhatsApp itself. So this is pretty much what we have as of now. If you need more information about this particular feature, do let us know. Thank you so much.